Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Sarah and we are a minimalist family who is living big with less. And over the past couple of weeks, I have been filming for you every time I do part of my deep cleaning routine. So if you are like me and don't have time to do it all in one hours of cleaning and you break it up into little bits that you can do in maybe like a 10 or 20-minute block, this is the video for you, because I'm going to break it down and show you how I get it done and on what sort of rotation. So if you need some deep cleaning motivation, stick around. With all of these deep cleaning jobs, they are jobs that I would probably do either once a month or once every quarter, so once every 3 months. The whole reason I bought these chairs, they're from IKEA, is because I could take all of the covers off, you throw them in the washing machine and they wash up good as new every single time. On this occasion, I did have a small hole that I just repaired. You'll actually see when I put it back on, it was on that far right hand side and it came up perfectly, and I've had these for years now and they're still my absolute favorite. Just the way you came, don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful. This is my dark blue microfiber couch, and the seats just get a little bit funky over time. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking some of my stain remover spray and some warm soapy water that I've made up with just a little bit of laundry detergent, and then I use a microfiber cloth, I think they're called a noodle cloth, and I just wring it out so it's almost dry, and then I just keep going over those seats and I give it a full once over, and it comes up so good every single time. Just the way you are, just the way you came, don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful. Just the way we are, we're beautiful. Here in Australia, we use our ceiling fans almost year round, and so they just get really dusty, especially on the edges. So I'm just giving them a quick vacuum and a wipe over to get rid of all that dust, just so we're not breathing it in and it's not spinning all around our room. And I do this about once a month, and they come up really well. Just the way you are, just the way you came, don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder. This area of our house is probably one of the most used rooms. We play here, the kids are eating and all sorts of things. So every now and again, probably once a quarter, I like to take the whole rug outside and then give it a really good vacuum underneath and a good mop, just to get rid of all of those dust and things that accumulate underneath the rug.
You are the one that I will call when I'm drunk. You are the one that I just need to feel loving. You saved me from the broken house that I built. You took me in with open arms, and I still want you back, want you back, back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love at 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love 'cause I got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory. It's 2 a.m. and I can't sleep without you. And every wall is getting close, and I don't know what to do. Can't you save my soul? Can't you save my...
If you have been around for any length of time, you've probably heard me talk about how much I love my steam mop. And one thing I love about it is that it has this carpet attachment, and you can steam mop rugs or carpet. And I just find it helps to lift out some of that dirt that gets left behind after vacuuming, and it also leaves them feeling super fluffy.
Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what...
I am just using this wacky contraption that I like to call the broom mop, and I just use it on my skirting boards to get rid of that dust that accumulates on the top. And because it's a broom with a microfiber cloth on it, it sort of sweeps the dirt off and then cleans it off at the same time. I also don't have to bend down, and I can do all the skirting boards in one go.
This is the call that you've been waiting for. This is the call that you've been. This is the call that you've been waiting for. This is the...
Oh my days, guys, I absolutely love a high pressure hose. This was a Sunday afternoon, and let me tell you, it is like my favorite thing to do. We eat, play, craft, all sorts of things outside, so I really like to give it a once over with the high pressure hose. It just gets rid of all those dirt and insect bits and bobs that collect outside, as well as like Play-Doh and slime that gets stuck in the floor, and it just comes up so good every time. I just move everything out. I spray down all of the concrete as well as all of our mats while I've got the high pressure hose out, and it just leaves it feeling so fresh and clean.
I got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory. I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. Sabotage.
We use our garage as our entryway, and so I always say that this is a direct reflection of how busy we are. We've just had all of our kids go back to school, and so it was the perfect time to just give this area a really good clean. I'm going through all of our shoes and making sure that the ones that we wear the most are easily accessible, and just getting rid of anything that doesn't actually live in this space. I highly recommend this for a high traffic area. It's just going through once a month or so and getting rid of any items that shouldn't belong there, so that the ones that you do need all the time are easily accessible. As you can see, I have no shortage of little helpers. I don't know about you, but my kids always like to be where I am, and I actually love it. They keep me entertained, as you'll see with my little Winnie Faith. seems a little bit crazy to be on my hands and knees scrubbing the floor of my garage, but as we go in and out of our house through this door, I just like to give it a really good clean. It just means that less dirt gets trampled into the house, and the only way I have found that actually cleans this cement floor is just using a brush and soapy water. And so about once a month I just give it a really quick clean, and it feels so much cleaner under your feet and less dirt gets walked inside.
And we're dancing in the park. Nothing's wrong with when I start, 'cause you look better in the dark. Oh, counting days I made it through without someone like you.
So guys, I hope that this has inspired you to get down to some deep cleaning, or at least give you a little bit of insight into how I get it done. If you guys want to let me know down below what your favorite deep cleaning task is, I would love to hear from you and chat with you down there. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It lets me and YouTube know that you'd like more of this type of content. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing. We would absolutely love to have you as part of our YouTube family. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.